Hello Gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my Grow with Grace binder day, where I have $200 that I am in prop money and that I'm putting towards some saving challenges that's going to take me a year or longer to complete, which I am okay with. So that's why it is called Grow with Grace. Give yourself some grace. So we're going to do this saving challenge here, which you can find in my Etsy or in my Kofi. And let's roll a color die to see where we going. We're going to put a lot of money in here today because I have fell behind, which is, like I said, give yourself some grace. So let's go ahead and do the 30. I feel like we haven't did purple in a while. All right, so let's do 30, 20, and 30. Let's go again. We got blue. And blue is, let's do the next highest, which is 29. Ooh, we going dangerous in here. So I don't remember which blue I used. So let's do this one. Yes, that's the right blue. 29. So let's go 20. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've been watching you guys progress when you guys saving with this, and you guys are doing well. So 20, 40, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Should I do an even 60? I don't think I have another one in here. I don't. Unless you guys see it, but I don't see not one. And no, I don't think I do. So what I say, $49? No, $59. Yeah, $59 is going into here. And this is saving for taxes for next year. You guys know how that goes. Next is vacation, which this will be for our next vacation to Texas. So let's go ahead and put a nice little chunky here also. Where the calculator at? Let's see. We got 9, 8, 11. And no, that's good. Let's do 9, 8, 11, and let's find a 3 for $30. Oh, right by my finger. And plus 3, yes. Oh, that's 31. Oh, you don't. I don't know how to count. What was that? 9, 8, 11. I should have put a 2. Oh my gosh. And I did it. Well, I don't have a 2 anyway. I have 1. Oh, there go 2 right there. So $31, because I don't know how to count. $31. All right. Perfect. Oh, let's put that. This is created by Mint Dough. Says $1,200. All right, let's go to senior year. And this is for my son that will be graduating from basic training for the Space Force, which he did get his ship out date will be in August 25th, and his duty will be as a, oh gosh, I can't remember. I'll put it across the screen here because I can't remember. So let's scratch. So we are excited about that. Well, excited and nervous, but more exciting and everything. So that's 4 and 7. see, we should do one more. Or should we stop there? I think we stopped there for $11. I think let's stop there. So $11, and this is created by Snowgarner 307. Let's see, month ahead is created by Champagne's Corner, and we need 2 dies for this. Come on. There we go. And that's cool. Let's do this a couple times. We got 3 and 6. That's already done. 6 and of course that's done already. Same one. 5 and 5. Yes. And that is $10. And did I say this is for month ahead? So let's do this a couple times. 5 and 2. Those is done. 5 and 5 is done. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. And that's $1. We almost finished with this. Seem like it. 6 and 4. 6 and 4 is the car, and that is $9. So let's put this dollar back and grab a 10. So that's $20. We'll stop there. And that's created by Champagne's Corner for month ahead. Next is Emergency Fund. Where's my book? Here it is. And this is the Giant Ant Savings created by Budgeting Introvert. Saves $1,200 plus. So we finished that one. We're working on ice cream. So I'm just going to color the top in for now. So each one is $5 for this whole page is $100. So that's 1. Let's do orange. Let's do 2. Should we do 2? Should I finish this whole line? No, because I want to finish them on here. Okay, so we're just going to do those 2 for $10. 5 and 10. And then let's go. We finished this one. So we on this one. And I think we need a color dye. And let's go. So we got red. Is that how I was doing this? I think so. So red is this one for $5. And let's go again. Green. Green, I said it's going to be this one. These colors are kind of hard to... I think it's this one. Green is $7. 5, 6, and 7. I'll do a couple more times. Pink. Pink is here. And that is $2. Go again. Purple. Purple is this one here. And that is 3, 1, 2, and 3. And let's buy back some of these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's do it again. Pink. Pink here. Pink is $2. Blue. Blue is, I'm sorry, I gotta hold it up to me. Believe it's this one. Blue is $4. Take $1 and then put a 5. Should I stop there? Because I think we put a lot in there. If if anything, we can come back. So that's 5, 10, 15, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3. So $33 is going into emergency funds created by Budgeting Introverts. And if I'm doing these colors right, this is $162. Hopefully I'm doing it right. I should have put the colors on here. I mean, like, yeah, I should have did that. I don't know why I didn't. Okay, so boom. Next is the most basic saving challenge. Saves 15K. And this is going towards student loans. So we are working on, oh, look at that. I didn't even know that. The last $100 on this one. And let's do yellow. And let's put in $8. And then we can start another page. Get that going. All right. And let's do $8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And let's see if we have our $100. All right. So we have 20, 40, 95, 97, 98, 99, 100. Yes, we do. We finished that 100. So let's go to our tracker here. Come on. And let's go ahead and shade in our next $100, saying that we complete that. Let's do a color you can see. Oh, I did that color already. Oops, sorry, that bump. So let's do pink. So that's $300 we done saved. That is great. Great, great, great. All right, so what should we do next? Go on to the 105? I think so. Let's go ahead and do the 105. Oh, excuse me. So these are amounts 1 through 8. Yes. So let's get our D8. And we can put some money in here. Let's do this. We got an 8 off the bat. Look at that. Off the bat. $8. Let's do some summer colors. Let's start with... let's start with orange. Back to the circles. My poor markers is just drying out. All right, we got 8. So 5. Oh, let's put this $100 up here. So you got 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, that's a 3. So let's do yellow for $3. Wow, there's no 3s on here. I just realized that. So we just do 2 and 1. Let's do this 2 here. Let's do that 2. And we only got 1 1. We do. And let's do, so we got orange, and let's do pink. Let's do pink. Some bright colors for the summer. And like I said, you can find this on Amazon. Okay. Did I no. Did I put the $3? No. 3, 4, 5. Put 5. Let's go one more time. 4. So let's do this 4 here. And let's do that pink again. Perfect. So let's put $1 back and grab 5. So we are now starting this new page, saving $105, $5, $10, $15. Let me see if I can condense this. No. Okay. Okay. All right. And then we still got 5, 10, 15, 20. Dang, we still got $23 left. Let's go to, let's scratch off some more here. You probably can finish this. Let's see. All right, we got a 5. We got 6. Oops. 5 and 6. And I'm going to do the back also. Should I start the back? I don't know. Then we got 7. Now I'm nervous. 5, 6, and 7. I think I'm going to stop there. So we got 1 scratch, and we only got $5. So we put another 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, $18 in here. And then that last $5 is, let's go ahead and now we're gonna check the chance on that one. Let's go ahead and put it towards the emergency fund. I could at least color in another ice cream cone. So let's do an orange one down here, since the orange one is right by me. The orange marker. Ugh, girl, you is like sloppy coloring. So $5 more. We have almost finished with this page. We got 5, 10, 15, 20, $25 more. Perfect. I just love this book. Love it, love it, love it, and love it. And that's $1,200 plus for emergency funds. All right, Jones, that is it. That is all the money. Thank you so much for the love and support. And if you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, Gems.